right, guys, we are out here in downtown San Francisco with the one, the only, Gabriel Horacio Iglesias Cruz.
We have a live studio freaking audience.
Yeah, we do.
My legs are starting to shake. I'm nervous as
You
hell.
do not have a live studio. I was looking around, I was thinking, that guy, he ain't watching.
Yeah.
He literally can't even see us.
All the people with the red lights, if I miss a kickflip, they're gonna be like, are you kidding me?
Yeah, that kid, he'll be pissed.
Yeah.
What the?
Holy. Can you do that again?
Stop it.
Oh!
No! This is why San Francisco is the greatest. No!
Oh, hell
No
yeah.
way! No way!
Let's go. Best city in the world, baby. I love this place. First try!
Okay, am I gonna go nice on him? Am I gonna take him out brutal?
There's real estate here, all right?
Warm up.
The prices in the Bay Area just keep getting higher, and the real estate in my head is free as ever. I gotta get used to this ground, bro.
Yeah, you gotta get used to the ground.
If you land in cracks, does it mess you up?
No, it doesn't mess you up. It's nice, it's smooth, it's not too slippery, not too hard.
All right.
My back 180 is just trash. First try.
Damn, this ground is really good.
It's really good, right?
Yeah, that's crazy.
Why was that better than mine?
Because I'm good at this trick.
I ain't afraid to take you out right now.
Okay. What's your big strategy in games of skate? Like, where do you start
To warm up
to warm up? All right.
and have fun. Whoever has the most fun is the one who wins.
Aaron and I have just been playing games of skate for years, so he knows exactly
Literally.
how to beat my ass.
More years than you can fit into a calculator. Dang, girl. He's looking fine out there.
Yeah, that was so good.
It's that SF vibes. If you're living in SF, you gotta have a nice front shove. It's mandatory. They kick you out
That
of
was
the city.
really good.
Oh boy.
Hey, look, the leaf.
Belief in yourself. Okay, now I have a strategy. Either I continue with SMS 1, which is a very high chance that I'll miss this trick,
Yeah, heel flip's up next.
and give Gabe a chance.
The real drama, though, because if you land heel flip and I get a letter, the game's over. And you're officially like, I'm done.
And if I don't land heel flip, then you hit half cab hill, fakie hill, nollie hill.
Yeah, I mean, always a chance for that. It's a gamble.
Oh no! That
And
almost
then
hurt
here's
so
the funny
bad.
thing too is this game can go either way as well, because I could do heel flip right now and then I start and then I piss him off, and then when he's pissed off, then bad things happen. I'm just gonna keep warming up. Let's just have some fun. As long as I don't mess up the warm up tricks, then the harder ones will come easy later.
Yeah, easy money.
Oh my God.
Okay.
See?
I thought he was going straight for flip. I was scared. Half cab, fakie half cab. Yeah,
Haven't done that in a while.
I love it. Fakie full cab. And yes, I'm pushing Mongo to this bad boy.
Yeah, love it. See, that's what I was saying. You can't mess up the easy ones. That's on me.
Okay, well, you know what they say. Never give up.
Yep.
Ah, I'm scared. Don't be scared. Aaron, you suck. Believe in yourself. You don't suck. You can do it. I needed that too. I need him to take me out of my fear. Because the funny thing is I could probably land it on defense, but offense, I don't know. Close. I'm getting close. I won't miss that again, Derek. Yeah.
It's all right. We're just warming up. The people are freaking me
You're
out.
trying to seize it out. We gotta wait till the cars go. I should look it up. How many years have I been playing games of skate with Gabriel Horacio Iglesias Cruz?
I'm so stressed. I'm terrified.
Okay, that's it right here. One day I'm gonna learn how to heel flip. Dang, girl. Wow.
Defense, baby. Dear life, I held on to that.
Okay.
That is so loud.
That's a red light. Skate purist off the nose.
Thank you, right?
Yeah, fakie. Yeah,
I didn't pop, but I'm gonna take that.
that was perfect.
Oh God.
Fakie fleas. Yeah. Yes, sir.
Hold on,
Yes,
hold
sir.
on. You see it? You see it? We're good. We're good. It wasn't pretty, but it counts. All right. I'm sorry. Yeah.
Wow.
That woman in her car, she wasn't looking at me, but I felt like everyone was watching me and I freaked out. We got to start playing handicaps here. Like I start with 3 letters on you.
We do not.
Can I beat Aaron Kyro if he starts with SKAT.
I got one for you then. This is throwback style. I could have had it. I haven't landed that one since I've been back from my injury. Wow! Wow! I like it, but I don't like it. There's a high chance I'll miss this.
Oh,
woo!
Nice, man.
Woo! Thank you, Las Vegas. Okay, I got one for him then. Again, I'm kind of scared. I can land that. I can lean back, send it in front of me. I need to lean. What were you trying?
3-flip. The brain's just moving a little quicker than the legs are today. Oh.
That was mean.
I ain't popping.
Yes!
That makes it all worth it, baby.
Okay, that's it. I haven't landed this in 38 years, maybe even 48. Shut up. I heard that. I heard that. Wow. He's trying to use my own tricks against me. Why can't I do that all of a sudden? I love varial heel flips. They're my jam.
Can we redo that or?
No, that's sick.
All right.
Dang it, Derek. Okay, I think I gotta go this way.
Okay.
Get out of here!
I got a little momentum. I landed the heel flip. That means I can try to put something together. I'm gonna go fakie disco flip, which is just a fakie heel flip with a little body varial.
Wow!
Fakie heel flip, backside body varial.
Like a half cab way.
Yeah.
I've never felt so violated in my whole life.
Yeah, exactly.
I could do it.
Yeah, you 100%. That's the easy one. That's a good try.
SK to SK. It's all tied up now. Gabe! That's it.
Yeah, he's gonna play dirty now. I am.
Did I not play dirty? Okay, I cannot. Okay, with honor and pride, I gotta land this. Why? It's because I fell on the way over here and ripped a hole in my pants and bloodied me knee. See? Oh, bro.
Just stay right there, AK.
Ah! Baby, don't fear the reaper.
Why?
Mom. Sheesh. All right, Derek, I love you. That's for you.
Big D.
How many times? Wow, son of a.
I knew that's what it was. I had to go that way.
I was gonna tell you, I think you need to go that way.
Oh,
I hate that trick.
you should do both of those for a trick.
You should teach me.
I will.
Ah! You know, I was playing games before. I'm done playing games. I'm done. How you like these apples right here?
That was unbelievable. That's one of the best ones I've seen you do.
Yeah, thanks. Oh! Stop it! Shut up!
Let's go. I haven't done that in a while. Hey, remember when the day we first filmed it? I had to give up on that. Now, first tee.
All right, then.
Yeah, that's a good one.
Yes, sir.
That's one I'm going to take on defense, but I'm not proud of it. Wow.
I'm not taking that, no.
No?
My foot was off.
Okay.
Thank you. Thank you, Lord.
I didn't think it was going to flip. I should have believed in myself. I've been flipping the heel flips good today.
I know.
Oh, you good?
Yeah.
Watch the board.
Those girls just said, it's okay.
You all right?
Yeah.
Okay. Dude, this spot is amazing. I could skate here all day.
Okay, now he's being nice to me. I would have taken that for real. He knows if I miss this, I'm at T and I have one letter left. Sheesh! I'd take both of those. He's not trying to Gabe me.
The one thing I do love is that every time I've come to film with you, I've felt lighter and lighter.
Yeah, it's good. It's a good workout.
Yeah, it is.
Okay, that's it. That's it, Derek!
That trick scares the holy hell out of me.
That was a San Francisco lifestyle right there. That was it!
Yeah.
You let it go! So what, A to A?
Hey, that trick scares me.
Not the cleanest chimney sweep, but we'll take it.
No!
Yes! Why'd you step off?
It just flipped a little too fast. I'm not used to keeping it that low.
Okay, you ready for this?
Yep. Oh!
I was gonna try and take him out on his own trick.
Well, I was thinking of maybe going somewhere else, but after seeing that attempt, I'm going right back to it.
Yeah, please.
I have no idea what I just witnessed.
Yeah.
I'm being an idiot. I need to go that way.
Okay, I got one.
Yeah, that's a great one. That's a good gauge on how you're feeling on the board.
Wow! Don't worry, family, I got this. Shot! T. It's T to T.
All right, time to get dirty.
Give me your dirtiest trick. He's really thinking this through. He's very deeply thinking this out. No!
Dang it! That flip's remarkably easy. That thing was going for days. I didn't even know how to stop it.
I got a plan here. You ready?
Bro.
I know he can do it, but I know now he is
I've been avoiding it, huh?
so
You
in
can
his
tell, huh?
head. I had to do something I could do. Too much on the line.
Yeah.
Keep your knees high. He knows how to do it.
Having a weird relationship with tray flips right now.
No, you're not. Wow! I will count it. I'll give him another go. He don't want it. He said no. Get out of there.
Man, hey, let me get one for the vibes though. That's something I gotta conquer.
The tray?
Yeah.
All right, back to backs. Come on now. Catch it with your front foot.
Yeah.
Yeah! First try!
Oh, it's been a while.
See, this spot is good, right?
It's really good. Way better than I would have imagined.
Yeah.
Come on, that's what it's supposed to
Come
be
on,
like.
boy!
Oh yeah, good game as always, man. That was fun.
That's fun.
Dude, I'm feeling really solid. Like, I could do a lot of tricks right now. Still, obviously, muscle memory is not quite there yet, but in terms of feeling good, I could do a lot of tricks again.
Slayed it.
Awesome.
We hope you guys enjoyed the video. Subscribe, like, leave a comment below, and we'll see you in the next one. What kind of other crazy game of skate ideas or fun or whatever should we try? Leave it in the comments below.